There's an energy here that's very palpable. People are excited, but it's more that's bigger than that.
We have a whole vendor setup where it's like a mini expo where the vendors and partners can meet with all of our folks in the field and exchange ideas.
Conference has been great so far. Dinner last night was lovely, dinner around the world, and then sessions this morning were very informative. Learned a lot from everybody that spoke, and looking forward to the next session now.
It's good to put faces to names. You deal with these people every day, through email or Teams or whatever.
Almost every single person that comes to the event has a similar challenge or opportunity that's in front of them that they can improve on as somebody else at the event.
But I've had some really good conversations that gave me some fresh ideas, some new perspectives, definitely some new objectives and initiatives.
I think that it is the personal networking connection, the opportunity to gain ideas and build off of those.
They have been asking for improved content. The training material that we have is good. There's always room for improvements, and that's one of our goals, is to listen to the operations and make the training custom for exactly what they want.
And we're consistently communicating to our employees of expectations. We're listening to what they have to say from a feedback perspective, and we're not just letting that die on a hill, that we're actually taking that into account and doing something about it when we hear about it. Going into Wednesday, having a keynote speaker like Heidi talk about how important safety is and how it affects real people is really impactful to the teams, because they hear it firsthand from people that were affected.
Until I think you hear a story and see somebody, like a real person, that can give you the emotion, because numbers are just numbers, but emotions, they hit hard.
The Power of Safe Work campaign was one in which it really entailed a lot of different viewpoints. That's the way most safety programs are built. Those with great success have input from various levels of the organization. Exposes not only synergies, but really opportunities to address unknown risks. Some people think it's just the frontline driver, operator, technician. No, everybody's in a safety game. Safety is a team sport.
Again, I really think that it's a wonderful thing that the company is taking safety so seriously and making it a priority. And I truly appreciate that.
We are volunteering our time together to put together snack packs and teddy bears. So our teams are going to be stuffing teddy bears, giving them little names and birth certificates. And then the goal is to then have our regions take them back and choose an organization within their service footprint to donate the snack packs and teddy bears, and then also combine that with a monetary donation of $5,000.
We're incredibly grateful to Casella for their support today. Those teddy bears will be put to great use in our programs. Our students will absolutely love them. Many of the kids that live with us, they come to us with very little. They've been in and out of the foster care system. They've been in and out of hospitals. And so to get a teddy bear made with love by someone that cares and supports them, and it's a stranger that doesn't know them, that can be life-changing for one of our kids. So we are so grateful to the Casella team for being so kind and so generous, and not just providing us the financial support, but making that extra gesture of kindness for our kids.
I hope the kids find this to be helpful for them, and the messages that we gave, positive messages. I believe we all are great in our own right? We're all doing great things, and I just feel like it was an amazing experience. Hopefully they love it.
In this event where we can get these many people together and do something like that, gives back to the community, but also, helps the team to understand the values that the company has, and the giving mentality that the company has is really important. So that way, they're not just hearing us say it and then asking them to do it out in the field. We're saying, let's all do it together. And this is how we lead by example, by having events like this.